welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making vegan sandwich, kimchi sandwich. It's only 4 ingredients, easy to make, and you will love it. And for the ingredients for this recipe we need obviously kimchi, that's the main ingredient. And if you saw a couple weeks ago I posted how to make classic traditional kimchi from Napa cabbage. Make sure you check, it's very easy and has ton of benefits as fermented food and many times better than store-bought kimchi. Another ingredient is whole wheat bread, and I'm working now on new recipe and I will publish soon. It's 100% sourdough, 100% whole wheat bread. It's delicious and stay fresh for a while, sandwich bread. You can make in different shape, but that's what we're using today. Avocado, and another ingredients is garlic aioli. For garlic aioli, you can make or you can actually use any mayo you like, vegan or regular mayo. And I will link below. I have on my blog how to make mayo 3 different ways, and I hope one of them will suit. But if you want to keep vegan side like the way we keep it today, and we're making from scratch, which is every aioli starts with mayo. And for the garlic aioli, we obviously need garlic, and the rest of ingredients kind of like for any mayo, which is mean oil, and I'm using avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil, will work as well. Chickpea flour, the main ingredient, chickpea flour. It's something that I always use in kitchen, and I love it. It's gluten-free, and you can use so many ways. So if you don't use often, you should. Chickpeas, it's so good for you. Lemon, mustard, and a pinch of salt. That's it, pretty simple. Let's do it. And for this aioli, we need to make mayo first, vegan mayo. And vegan mayo, we start with chickpea flour as a base. Chickpea is wonderful legumes, can substitute as eggs in many recipes actually. So I love it. And water, just 2 ingredients. Yeah. And whisk. So we cook on low heat, whisking. Make sure you always whisk, do not leave because we'll get burned. First it gets foamy and kind of liquidy, soupy, and then it gets nice and thick, almost like porridge consistency. That's what we're looking for. And when it gets to the porridge consistency and when it looks like it's perfect, you need to keep a little bit longer until you will see little clumps. Then you can tell we are done. So it's come together after it's boiled. It takes a few minutes and come together very fast to that stage of porridge. And this porridge actually I like to use in my kitchen often as a thickness to the soup. Not always I want to add flour or cornstarch to make soup thick. And this is a great way to make gluten-free and healthier with a ton of health benefits of chickpea to make soup nice consistency. Chickpea has 9 amino acids and it's great for you. And I like to add as often as possible. So for this vegan mayo, we need just simple ingredients, very few ingredients. Mustard, like 1 tablespoon or so. Lemon juice. About 3 tablespoons or so. Pinch of salt, and salt is optional, but I like to add an other chickpea porridge. It's cold, and this plastic wrap prevents to have skin, which is what we want. person goes in. It's very important to have this chickpea mixture, this porridge, completely cold. The next ingredient is garlic, about 2 cloves or so, and oil. But before we add oil, I would like to mix all together and then add oil. And now time to add oil. And now just mix. Look how beautiful and delicious look and smell, actually very good. Smell garlic. It looks like real mayo. So thick and can stay in your fridge for a while. I can stay for a couple weeks. And sometimes I even add fermented garlic, which can not only give you good bacteria, better for you, but also preserve food. So your mayo will stay even longer in your fridge, and you can use many ways. If it can split, sometimes you just re-whip again and ready to use for your sandwiches or really for any recipe, and non-vegan people will never know. My husband eats often, he doesn't know. Another thing I would like to mention about this mayo, another thing I would like to notice about, you saw how easy to make this mayo, just dump all ingredients together, and here you have, versus classic when we drizzle oil slowly and make sure it had happen emulsification, versus this one, just dump all together and blend. And a few minutes later, the beautiful panini sandwich is ready. Can't wait to try. It's going to be messy. This sandwich is messy, but so delicious. Make sure you're ready with your napkins. The crunchy bread is so good. Nutty flavor of bread, and garlic aioli, and kimchi, of course. Gives so much flavor, it's delicious. Even for those people who don't like kimchi, this recipe must try. In our town, small town, one local coffee shop serves this kimchi, and it's their specialty. People love it. And when I try first time, I come back next day for the same sandwich. So this sandwich is copycat, but I will write in blog below, in description below, all story about this sandwich, and I hope you give it a try, and please give me a like and subscribe, and let's check what we're going to make next time. Smoked oyster dip. Bye, see you next time.